Welcome to GK and Current Affairs Weekly. First week, October 2020. Hey friends, this is Mahendra Vaishnav getting into the most competitive question and answers to help you out in competitive exams like UPSC, SSC, etc. Friends, share this video among your friends and relatives and do subscribe to our YouTube channel VM9 India. Also give your comments to improve further. Good luck. Thank you.
Question 1. Ramvilas Paswan passed away on October 8 at 74. He served which portfolio of the Union Cabinet Ministry? Answer: Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Question 2. ISRO is planning to launch a space mission to which planet in 2025? Answer: Venus. Question 3. Which party will be launching a Kisan Yatra in protest against Centre's new farm laws? Answer: Indian National Congress. Question 4. The DGCA has extended the suspension of scheduled international commercial passenger flights till when? Answer: October 31st. Question 5. Which country will launch the world's first asteroid mining robot into space in November 2020? Answer: China. Question 6. The United States has announced fresh sanctions against individuals from which nation? Answer: Syria. Question 7. What is a zombie fire? Answer: fire that smolders underground and reignites when weather warms. Question 8. Which two countries of former Soviet republics are at the brink of war? Answer: Armenia and Azerbaijan. Question 9. Which among the following is the world's longest highway tunnel? Answer: Atal Tunnel. Question 10. According to Union Health Minister, around 20-25 crore 22. Question 10. According to Union Health Minister, around 20 to 25 crore people in India will be vaccinated by which month? Answer: July 21. Question 11. Armenia has been locked in decades long conflict with which nation over Nagorno-Karabakh territory? Answer: Azerbaijan. Question 12. Which company has developed a new RT-PCR kit to detect COVID-19 in 2 hours? Answer: Reliance. Question 13. Which nation has successfully flight tested supersonic missile assisted release of torpedo? Answer: India. Question 14. When is World Habitat Day 2020 observed? Answer: October 5th. Question 15. Which country will partner with India for ISRO's Venus mission? Answer: France. Question 16. 3 scientists, Roger Penrose, Andrea Ghez, and Reinhard Gezel, have been awarded the Nobel Prize 2020 in which category? Answer: Physics. Question 17. The Nobel Prize for Physiology and Medicine has been awarded to 3 scientists for the discovery of which virus? Answer: Hepatitis C. Question 18. When will Bihar Assembly Elections result 2020 be announced? Answer: November 10. Question 19. Government released how much compensation cess for all states on October? Answer: rupees 20,000 crore. Question 20. When will BRICS Summit 2020 take place? Answer: November 17th. Question 21. Which nation will host foreign ministers of all four Quad countries? Answer: Japan. Question 22. Cinema halls have been allowed to operate in India with how much seating capacity? Answer: 50%. Question 23. Markfast Beverages has won a battle against PepsiCo to use Mountain Dew trademark. The company is based out of which nation? Answer: India. Question 24. Which nation has agreed to work with India towards operationalization of Situi port in the first quarter of 2021? Answer: Myanmar. Question 25. Who all have been awarded Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2020? Answer: Emmanuel Charpentier and Jennifer A. Doudna. Question 26. Which state has become the first one to legally challenge the center's farm reform laws in the Supreme Court? Answer: Chhattisgarh. Question 27. Students belonging to which institute have launched an e-commerce platform for weavers to sell their products directly to customers? Answer: NIT Warangal. Question 28. Which nation's government has resigned ahead of general elections 2020? Answer: Kuwait. Question 29. The DGCI has given approval for conducting phase 1 human clinical trial of which antisera as a potential treatment for COVID-19? Answer: horse antisera. Question 30. India will be launching a constellation of maritime surveillance satellites along with which nation? Answer: France. Question 31. Which country's women's cricket team has equaled world record for most consecutive ODI victories? Answer: Australia. Question 32. Dinesh Kumar Khara has been appointed as new chairman of which bank? Answer: State Bank of India. Question 33. Which nation has announced that it will accept only the WHO organized COVID-19 vaccine? Answer: Bangladesh. Question 34. The Union Cabinet has approved MOU on cybersecurity between India and which nation? Answer: Japan. Question 35. India's economy is expected to contract by how much in the current fiscal year? 2020-21. Answer: 9.6%. Question 36. Which state launched the first phase of the Digital Seva Setu program for the rural areas on October 8th? Answer: Gujarat. Question 37. When is World Cotton Day observed? Answer: October 7th. Question 38. What is the new brand name of India's premium cotton? Answer: Kasturi. Question 39. Which Central Asian nation has slipped into chaos after the results of the recent parliamentary elections were declared void? Answer: Kyrgyzstan. Thank you.